What's up? So we're back again with another video. Welcome back, YouTube brothers. Doing something review for this one pair of Air Jordan 1 Low OG. So let's get straight into it. So we have this, as you can see, Air Jordan 1 Low OG. With some women's with extra lace. We have extra lace here, and I'm gonna show you the receipt, guys. I bought this from Jordan Manila online reservation. Yeah. If you can see this, yeah. Jordan Manila, as you can see, it cost around 5.5, guys. As you can see, 5.5. I bought this 5.5 sale. SRP is around 6,195, I think. 7,195, and this is what I've got. Alright. I don't know if the lighting is bad or good. We don't have ring light. So yeah, this is it. This is the Air Jordan 1 Low OG. NC to cheat. They call this NC to cheat. Now I'm going to call this breads. Because, you know, customized. As you can see, guys. Pina-customize ko to, guys. Yan, ito. Tapos, yan, nakita nyo. You can see this, guys. The other one is blue and, you know, the other one is red. Because it's NC to cheat. This is customized breads. Thank you pala kay Blackmore. Thank you Blackmore Customs for having this one customized. So I request that this has to be breads. Yeah, as you can see, tumbled leather. This one, makita natin, guys. I'm gonna show you guys. Show you real quick. Right? The details. This one. So you can see, leather tags. Tumbled leather sa toe. Yeah. As you can see, oh. Yeah, sarap. Smooth leather. This one also smooth leather. All the way up to this breads. This one, ito yung pinalitan dyan, guys, yung heel tab. Kasi blue to blue. Yeah. You can see the details. Yeah, shit. This is so good. Thank you Blackmore for customizing very shit. Yeah, as you can see, guys, oh. Kita nyo? Color match 90% accurate. Yeah, as you can see, oh. The details. Yeah. As you can see. Tapos, ito yung isa. Very tumbled leather, guys. Sobrang smooth. Super smooth leather. 5.5 lang. Alam nyo, guys, kung bakit 5.5. Nakita lang ang details. You know. Yeah. Sarap. Yan, kita nyo? Yung outsole, ganun. Yung original na bread. Yeah, yan, as you can see, guys, oh. Ito yung blue, oh, kasi NC to Chi siya. So, alam nyo bakit ano to? Bakit 5.5 lang? Papakita ko sa inyo, guys, bakit 5.5 lang to. B grade ata to, eh. B grade, guys. Kung alam nyo man yung B grade, ayan, oh. Kung makikita man nyo, ano siya, hindi siya pantay, eh. Pakita natin maigi sa camera. Hindi siya pantay, guys. Kita ba sa camera? Ito, tignan nyo, may kanto, guys. Merong kanto. May kanto. Tignan mo, yung kanan. Tignan nyo yung kanan, guys. May kanto siya. Yan. Yun, may parang poknat. Tapos ito naman, yung kaliwa, hindi siya pantay, guys. May kanto din. Ayun, no? May kanto siya dito sa bandang kaliwa, sa tip. Makikita nyo yung, kung nakikita nyo yung kanto, ayan. Kaya siya sale, guys. Kaya siya 5.5 na lang. Kasi puro siya issue. Gets nyo na. B grade ata to, guys. Ayan. Classified as B grade kasi hindi pantay yung pagkakagawa sa kanya. Makita natin ulit. Hindi siya pantay, mga boss. Ayun, no? Hindi siya pantay, oh. Ano? Kita nyo? Hindi siya pantay, guys. Tapos puro scratch yung leather niya. Hindi kita eh. Hindi pala scratch. Puro crease. Crease to crease. Hindi siya scratch. Crease siya. Crease. Ayun o. Kasi nga, sobrang tumble dun leather niya. Kaya siya nagki-crease ng kusa. Hindi ko pa nasusuot to, guys, ha. Hindi ko pa nagagamit to. Yan. Makita nyo. Ayan o. Pakikita natin detail. Hindi siya pantay eh. Tingnan nyo, kitang-kita oh. Yan oh, bibili ba kayo ng ganyan guys sa retail? Tangina kahit baka 6K, di ko bilhin to eh. Pero 5.5 guys. Umabot siya ng 5.5, 30 off ata to. Tingnan nyo, di siya pantay guys. May ano dito, may pocknut talaga siya. Ayun oh. Palitan natin yung background saglit. Ayun oh. Gawin nating black. Ayun oh. Kung nakikita nyo man guys, hindi siya talaga pantay. Hindi makita ng camera eh. Pinatry ko i-focus guys. Pero yan, hindi siya pantay guys. Makikita nyo maigi, hindi siya pantay. Ayun o. Kita nyo? Yan, ganyan. Galing tong Jordan Manila guys. Kaya siya discounted kasi alam nyo na. May issue. Nabili ko to ng 5.5. Tapos pinaayos ko, pinagawa ko siya guys kay Blackmore. Pinabread ko siya. Kasi PSG to eh, pang PSG naman to eh. Share ko lang yung pang PSG ko ha. Gagamitin to sa kasal eh. Yan. All goods naman. Kung hindi kayo maarte, pwede na to. Pero kung maarte kayo, huwag na kayong bumili ng ganito. Yan. Kaya pag pupunta kayo ng store, check nyo maigi kung may issue yung bear. Baka bumili kayo ng retail, tapos ang taas ng retail, walang discount, tapos puro issue pa yung bear nyo. So you can see guys, oh. Yan. May mga mini yan pa ngayon eh. May mga mini scratch pa yan eh. Okay, no? Teka. Ayun, no? Kita nyo yan? Guys, oh, ayun, no? Tabi ng swoosh. Yan. Yan yun guys, ito yun. Ayan o. Salamat sa discount. Kasi ano to eh, dito sa outlet na to eh, B grade to eh. Ayan. So hanggang dito lang tayo guys. Hanggang dito lang tayo. Share lang natin kung yung pagkakagawa dito sa customize nating J1 Lowbred. Ito siya eh, ito siya dati. Pakita ko lang. Ayan, ito siya guys. Uy puta, nawala. Yan. Ito yung UNC to Chicago guys. Ito yun. Ayan o. Ayan yun. Kinostomize lang. Blue likod o. Yan. Ito yun guys. Kinostomize lang. Para maging bread. Puta nawala. Wait. Nawala na guys. Pero yun yun. So hanggang dito lang tayo guys.